Look, I want you to build muscle and I want you to do it for free. Look, most of you might not have cash to be paying for a gym membership. I get it. So from the comfort of your home, try this, push-ups. I did a whole challenge where for 30 days, I did 10,000 push-ups. You can see the video, it got a bunch of views. It ended up even being published on Men's Health. And you can see the visible difference that my chest had when it came to muscle growth, all from push-up variations. And this is what I love about push-ups. There's just so many variations. You could probably come up with 20 different variations. Incline, decline, close grip, wide grip, clapping push-ups. Yo, there's just so much that you can do with the push-ups. So many different areas of the pectoral muscle that you can hit. You'll never run out of things. And here is what's key here. Everything that I'm going to talk about in this video is free, right? Completely free. However, when you do perform these, your only goal should be progressively overloading. Don't just think of a push-up, oh, it's just a push-up, right? No, you want to progressively overload similar to what you would do with the bench press or with the squat. So something that I like is, let's say you're a beginner. All right, for your first day, you'll do 10 sets of 1 rep or 10 sets of 5 reps, wherever you fall. I started with 10 of 10. I follow what you call German volume training, which I really like. So when it comes to body weight exercises, do 10 sets of 10 reps if you're able to. Then you want to progressively overload. So then the next day or next week, you'll do 10 by 11 or 10 by 12. And progressively, you're adding more strain onto your muscle where your muscle has no other choice but grow to meet that new level of strain. This takes me to number 2. These are sit-ups. One thing most people do not understand, that if you want to be strong, physically strong in almost any lift, deadlift, squat, bench press, or just in general, a strong guy, it all starts here. Your core is like your foundation of strength. And so many guys skip their core. Do not skip your core. Sit-ups is probably one of the best ways to target this core region. And again, you can do completely free from home, and you can follow the same method that I just talked about, and now you're building out a whole workout. Number 3, pull-ups. Now, this one will require a slight investment of $30, but if you want that ideal Superman physique, that ideal superhero V-shaped physique, you need to put pull-ups in your regime. Look, it'll be 20, 30 bucks on Amazon, and I promise you it'll be the best 20, 30 bucks you'll ever spend. Buy a pull-up rig that you can put in anywhere in your house, like on your door frame or whatever, and I promise you, you add pull-ups, you'll have one of the nicest backs. Your lats are gonna just flare out. You're going to look like Superman. You're going to get that nice V shape, and the strength that it involves is incredible. So again, start slow, right? You could do 10 sets of 1 rep. Then the next week, you're doing 10 sets of 2 reps. Then 10 sets of 3 reps. Before you know it, you'll be able to do 10 sets of 5, 10 sets of 7, 10 sets of 10, because you're building, because you're progressively overloading, and your muscle has no other choice but to adapt. Now, I know what you're seeing right now. You see those shorts, boys? Those are our new Essentials training shorts. Yo, quick break in this video. I know it's a lot of valuable content, but this is more valuable. The Essentials launch is getting pushed to this Saturday, 10/22. You already know. Those new shorts that you saw me training in, that's dropping. New fitness shorts. We've been sold out on fitness shorts for over a year. New oversized tee, new tank top. Yo, new even puffer vest. Yo, 15 new pieces dropping October 22 in less than 4 days. This is not the one you're going to want to miss. And I do want to clarify something. This new puffer vest, it's sick, bro. Like, it's probably my favorite piece. There's only I think it's 500 to 1,000 pieces of this puffer vest. We usually order anywhere from 5 to 10,000 pieces for a new piece, meaning certain items out of the 16 are extremely limited. If you're not there early, bro, you're going to miss out. I don't want you to miss out. Let's go back to the video. Number 4, squats. Look, if you want to fill in the shorts you're about to buy from Essentials, you better put in the squats. There is a reason 5-inch shorts look so good on guys. You need to have the quads. You cannot be rocking around with some chicken legs, bro. Do not skip leg day. And again, start easy. Your basic squat, 10 by 1, 10 by 5. You can go all the way up to 10 by 30s. I promise you, you do a 10 by 30 of just air squats, nothing else but air squats. You will be shaking. You will not be able to walk the next day. And then you can progressively overload. You can throw on a backpack, stuff it with books, stuff it with canned food, and do the same thing. You can then do pistol squats, one leg squats. Like you can do so many variations in following that same 10v1, and I promise you, your legs are gonna start growing. And ultimately, number 5, dips. An amazing upper body movement. And what I love about them, completely free. Grab 2 chairs, that's all you need, you flip them around, and now you have your dip machine. You don't even have to invest money on this one. You can do it next to 2 tables as well. Dips are great because it builds not only your triceps, your delts, your lower pectorals. It is one of those exercises where you want to hit if you want an amazing upper body physique, and it's such a great compound movement. And like I said, my overall theme here is volume, right? So you start baby steps. You do your 10v1s. Do that German volume training, and you can look into it. Those 10 by 10s will kill you. Even on movements that you think are easy, after that much volume, you're gonna be shaking. And you do this over and over again. It's completely free, and you can build an ideal physique from home for free.